Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Yamaha FJ09. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 54,353 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that there is some audible clutch and transmission chatter at idle, but it is consistent with other similar bikes with similar mileage and not seen as a concern. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the right side of the fuel tank, a decal blemish on the left saddlebag, and scrapes on the tour pack. This bike has a toolkit and one key. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. It's been upgraded with a taller windshield, shad saddlebags, and a GV top case. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.